Hey, welcome to Smarts Kiddies. Get ready for a journey back in time, way back to ancient Rome. Today, we're going to crack a secret code that the Romans used for their numbers. It's super cool, and we know you're going to love it. Now, you might be used to seeing numbers like 1, 2, 3, right? But the Romans had a different way of writing them. They used letters. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it looks. Think of it like learning a new secret language for numbers. Let's start with the easiest one. Take a look at this letter, I. What do you think I means? Imagine one finger standing up tall. It means 1. So simple. So if I is 1, what do you think I would be? That's right, it's 1 plus 1, which makes 2. And if you see I, you guessed it, it's 1 plus 1 plus 1, which makes 3. Great job! You've already learned your first Roman numeral rule. If the same letter repeats, you just add them up. Now for our next super simple, the letter V. The letter V actually stands for the number 5. Think of it like a whole hand, 5 fingers. V for 5. Okay, so if V is 5 and I is 1, what do you think VI means? That's right. When the I comes after the V, we add them. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. Let's try another one. What about VII? You got it. 5 plus 1 equals 7. You're doing amazing. Ready for our third basic symbol? It's the letter X. The letter X stands for the number 10. Think of it like 2 hands crossed, 10 fingers. X for 10. All right, smart kid. If X is 10 and I is 1, what does XI mean? You're on fire. When the I comes after the X, we add. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. And how about XII? Super clever. 10 plus 1 equals 12. Can you figure out what number this is? VIII? Okay, time's up. V is 5. And then we add 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes 8. Did you get it right? You are officially a Roman numeral explorer. Today, we learned that I is 1, V is 5, and X is 10. And how to add them up when the smaller numbers come after the bigger ones. But guess what? The Romans had a super clever trick when a smaller number comes before a bigger one. It's a little bit like magic. And we'll learn all about it in our next adventure. So get ready for more Roman numeral fun next time. Don't forget to practice what you learned today. See you then, adventurers!